Hello, I'm Cyril and this is my sixth Unix lab experiment. In this we have to use arrays and functions. So we have two questions. The first one is to make a library management system and the second one is to show how a bank works. So first one, the library. So here I made a function add book. So what this is going to do is it's gonna ask for the book name, author name, book ID and book publisher and take them into all of these variables like B name, B author, B ID. So here I'll be using array, that is why I have a I in here. So every time you enter a new book, it's gonna come into the places that I'm gonna give. Like for the first array, the position in the array is like the first position, like 0 position. The first one is gonna come up into the first one and like so on. Okay, so the second function here is display book. So this is going to print out all the values that I'm going to give here in the add book. So yeah, that's what this is going to do. Then we have search book. Search book is going to look if the book is available, if the entered book. So here I'm going to enter the book ID, so it's going to search for the book ID and then it's going to see if the book is present or not. If it is present, it's going to print out the details of the book. And then we have the lend book. So we're going to ask which book the user wants or not, the user wants, and then we're going to enter the book ID. So it's going to check if it is present or not, and if it is, it's going to lend the book and print out thank you for lending. And if it is not present, it's going to print out, first it's going to check if the book is present or not, and if it is present, then we're going to lend the book. If not, then it's going to print out book not available. Then we're going to return the book. So we're going to ask for the book ID and we're going to return the book, and here we're going to change the book availability from no to yes. So then here I have created a menu driven program. So we're going to ask the user what the user wants to do, that is add book, search book, lend book, and then here I have created all the functions. So if he goes and press on 1, it's going to take him to the add book function, and if he selects the search book, it's going to take him to the search book function. So let's run this. So we'll add a book. So book name is Unix, book author XYZ, book ID 100, book publisher ABC. So now let's search for the book. We have to enter the book ID. So the book ID here is 100. So yeah, book found. So it's going to print out the details. So yeah, that's it for the library management. And now the second one is bank. So in the bank, I've created 3 functions, that is withdraw, deposit and display. What withdraw is going to see is it's going to check if what it's going to do is going to subtract the amount that the user is withdrawing from the main balance, and then it's going to print out the balance that is available, and if the balance is not available, it's going to show error. And then deposit, it is going to add the amount the user is going to add into the final balance and display the balance, and then display is going to simply display the balance that is available in the bank. So let's run this one. Okay, wait. So first let's deposit some money. We're going to deposit like 1000 rupees into the bank, and then we're gonna let's try withdrawing. So if we withdraw 200, so it's gonna gave out the amount withdrawn is 200 and the balance is 800. So now if you want to see the balance, you're going to display the balance, and we have the balance as 800. So this was the 6 experiment. Thank you.